Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about Windows Server 2025. Most of you know that Windows Server 2025 operating system is now officially available for commercial use. I'm putting together a short video, so I'll keep things brief. I will not go into every single detail. I've put together the details on a PowerPoint slide, which I will show here. So firstly, what are the editions? There are three editions: Standard Edition, Data Center Edition, and Data Center Azure Edition. Mainstream support ends in 2029 and extended support concluding on 2034. So what are the upgrade options? You can directly upgrade to 2025 from Windows Server 2012 R2 and later. Also, there are options to install from ISO, which is a clean install from the scratch. So what's new in Windows Server 2025? Firstly, hot patch. Hot patching is a way to install operating system security updates on the server without having to restart your machine. This option was available mostly in Unix based operating system from a long time. Now we have that on Windows Server. Next one would be file compression. Windows Server has a new compression feature. When compressing an item by performing a right click compress to, this feature supports zip, 7z, and tar compression formats with specific compression methods for each. Next one would be Winget. Winget is installed by default. This is a Windows package manager tool that provides comprehensive package manager solution for installing applications on Windows device. Next would be Credential Guard. Credential Guard prevents credential theft attacks by protecting NTLM password hashes, Kerberos ticket granting tickets, and credentials stored by applications on domain credentials. Now let's see what are the changes in Active Directory domain services. We all know that the database size was 8K initially. Now it is 32K database page size. AD uses an extensible storage engine database since its introduction in Windows 2000. Moving to 32K database format offers a huge improvement in areas affected by legacy restrictions. Next would be AD schema updates. 3 new log database files are introduced that extend the AD schema. Next would be AD object repair. AD now allows enterprise administrator to repair objects with missing core attributes like SAM account type and object category. Channel building audit support is the next one. Events 3074 and 3075 can now be enabled for LDAP channel binding. Next would be DC location algorithm improvements. DC algorithm provides new functionality with improvements to mapping of shortnet BIOS style domain names to DNS style domain names. Next would be new passphrase feature. IT admins can now utilize a new feature in Windows Labs that enables the generation of less complex passphrases. In the sense, instead of using complex password, you can give a long sentence of your choice, which makes life easier for administrators and users as well. Next, we'll discuss about changes in the security. Security certificate management. Searching or retrieving certificates on Windows now supports SHA 256 hashes, that is secure hash algorithm. Next one would be SMB over QoC, quick. The SMB over Quick Server feature, which was only available in Windows Server Azure Edition, is now available on both Windows Server Standard and Windows Server Data Center versions. I will make a different video to explain what is Quick. Next is changes on Hyper-V, AI and performance. Accelerated networking. Accelerated networking simplifies the management of single root input-output virtualization for virtual machines hosted on Windows Server 2025 clusters. Next is GPU partitioning. GPU partitioning allows you to share a physical GPU device with multiple virtual machines. Next would be dynamic processor compatibility. Dynamic processor compatibility mode is updated to take advantage of new processor capabilities in a clustered environment. Dynamic processor compatibility uses the maximum number of processors available across all servers in a cluster. Next would be changes in storage. First one would be block cloning support. This helps in faster completion of file copying, reduced input-output to underlying storage, and improved storage capacity by enabling multiple files to share same logical clusters. The next one would be NVMe. NVMe is a new standard for solid-state drives. NVMe storage performance has been optimized in 2025 with improved performance, resulting in an increased IOPS and decrease in CPU utilization. And in Azure Arc and Hybrid, the changes are simplified Azure Arc setup, which offers a user-friendly wizard interface and system tray icon in the taskbar to facilitate the process of adding servers to Azure Arc. Next would be software-defined networking. SDN is an approach to networking that allows network administrators to manage network services through abstraction of lower level functionality. Windows Container Portability. Portability is a feature of Windows Server that allows users to move container images and their associated data. So these are the changes in Windows Server 2025. Like I said, I did not go to every detail. There are many more features which cannot be explained in this short video. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please subscribe to the channel. I'll come back with a new video very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.